Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends. My YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine. Spending a good and lavish life. So friend most welcome. Hopefully you will be like these crochet ideas. Hopefully friends you will be fine spending a good and lavish ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends you will be like these crochet ideas which I shared with you in this video, and I introduced new and great crochet ideas which are completely different to each other. I hope you will enjoy these crochet ideas which I shared this video. So friend subscribe these crochet ideas which are related completely different to each other. So friends subscribe my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. We will begin different ideas, and these ideas are very beautiful. Friend hopefully you will begin different thing ideas. Hope you like these crochet ideas. Hopefully friends you will begin different ideas which I shared with you in this video. It's are very beautiful and unique designs which are related to the crochet pattern. These ideas are completely different to each other. I introduce new and great crochet ideas in this video. These very beautiful ideas which I shared with you in this video are completely different to each other. बुला लो उसको ऊपर से. These ideas are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends, you will begin different type of thinking ideas which I introduce in this video. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel. Like these ideas which I introduce in this video, it's are very beautiful and unique ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friends, and these are very beautiful ideas which I shared with you in this video. Subscribe my ideas which are related to the crochet pattern, and I hope you will enjoy. Full thinking idea. These are very beautiful and attractive ideas. Very beautiful fundamental designs which are rarely introduced in this video. So friends, I hope you will be like these crochet ideas which I shared with you in this video. Thank you so much dear friends to watching this video at the last. Inshallah next time I will meet you with the new and great crochet ideas. Take care friends and goodbye. Have a nice day. Inshallah next time I will meet you.